I was really encouraged to worship God because of your voice. And I was like, okay. No, I was really...
Sabi ko, Lord, hindi ito yung plano mo sa akin. Hindi ito yung pagkakagawa mo sa akin. I'm really trying to sing Heart of Worship.
Gusto ko yan.
Pero, hindi ko po maalala yung lyrics.
Kailangan mo lang mag-step out of that comfort zone.
Yes. Use your talent and glorify God. Yun lang naman yung gagawin po natin.
There will be a gift for you. Lord, gusto ko po ng Ferrari.
Ang formal naman.
Kasi tayo na kain Alam mo, mapunta na tayo.
Maganda. Babalik po. Maganda.
Kasi feeling ko naka-live tayo.